There you go.
Some fresh Javas.
That's been a long time coming.
Heck yeah.
You get him?
Is that what it's like to get your ass whooped turkey hunting? Because it sure felt
100%. All right, what's up, everybody? Just got down here to Middle Georgia. It's Friday afternoon, March 31st. Turkey season for private land in Georgia starts tomorrow. We had a good early season success in Florida, and we're about to roll in here and see what's going on. You getting your beer? I'm good.
You don't know what we're going with, I'm telling you, Rob. He says we're going to Horseshoe. We'll be in Bobby's Club on a dirt road.
Come on, that ain't that bad.
My big ass and your big ass next to this tree, we're still not as big as the deer.
There he comes right there. If he comes out over here, shoot him. What'd you say that tree was? 50? He stopped right here in the corner of this food plot. Me and Terry was sitting right there. Rob was sitting right there. Rob was at 42. Me and Terry were at 47. He hung up right here and he turned and went through those woods. So
You think he was on that big tree?
I think he was on down to the right there.
Straight across.
So what are we doing?
Go and go.
We're gonna go up here on this road.
He thinks he's by himself. You can get right at that dead tree.
That's what I'm wondering.
You think he's gonna see us?
That's what I'm wondering. I'm trying to slow play it to see where he's at. Because I'm thinking, if y'all could drop down there, if y'all could drop like halfway off the hill by that red dirt pile somewhere, maybe I could stay right back here and call.
Bring him up.
Maybe he has to come up there.
Because I'd rather be on this side. That way he don't come in and handcuff us.
There he is. Don't move, don't move, don't move. God dang it.
Well, we've been right in the spot.
Mm-hmm.
I did not think he was that close. You got a hanger, huh?
Yeah, I didn't think he was that close either.
I thought he was down there in the creek.
He's probably gonna come right fucking through the blood now. Probably. You want to slip back down there and I'll stay up here at the road? I'll go down there and call. All right, everybody. It's been a kind of eventful morning. We got this bird roosted last night. We knew exactly where he was and we set up grade on him. He come in. He hung up about 55 yards. We didn't really want to take the shot. Rob had his bow. Terry had the gun. I had the gun. He flew down. As soon as he hit the ground, he hushed. I told Terry, I said, get ready. He's probably coming up this road. Well, he did. He got up that road. When he got up the road, he just strutted. You see in the video, he went back and forth. But he went around, skirted around us. He didn't see what he come up there to look for. Dropped off in the bottom. And when he did, he started going up towards this gas line that you can see behind me. So we made a move up to the gas line. When we did, he sounded like he was down in the creek bottom. So we was gonna move on up there and I was gonna stay back and call. Well, he come out in the gas line, he walked back in. He wasn't scared. So he walked back in the woods. So they're up there and I'm gonna fall back down in these pine trees right here and start calling to see if I can get him worked up. Let's see what happens. I don't know if them birds ain't coming down the gas. Oh, they're right there by this food plot. Ooh, they're close to the freaking gas line. They're close. Yeah. Did he gobble again?
He gobbled one time. I think he's across the creek and he was up there in the edge of the pines going towards the corner. I think when we saw us on the gas line.
I don't think we scared him. I think he just is like
Something's off.
That usually don't stand there.
No. God dang, that stump ain't that big.
Those turkeys come from pretty good ways because they started gobbling when I was up there, and I went through those woods over there calling, and I went out there and called. I just don't know I don't think they'll come here and cross that creek.
Up the edge.
I don't know. I'm afraid if we do that, then they're gonna see us as open as them hardwoods is. I think our only option might be to go through those woods,
Cut right there and go down.
go down, cross the creek.
I don't think he's going to cross that sandwich. Where it's dammed up.
Oh, really?
The best place we can cross is going to be down this way. Because, see, they got them concrete pillars right here. And we'll go across the big domes. Like, go down there, there's your tripod, and cross that from behind us.
Hell, they're coming off that hill right there right now. They've gained a lot of distance. Hell, you want to try to just go right here? See if they work out in that bottom?
He's down there
I don't know that they'll come across that creek, but they might.
He's down there about that water.
Yeah, we just get in the woods there. Stay back tucked in the woods. You want to leave that bow here and take my gun and go down there, and I'll stay up here?
Don't matter.
Y'all go down there on that road and see if they come.
On the road?
Or right before it. I would just stay in the woods. Yeah. Just click that button right there on the side a few times, and that red dot will come on. Hit it like that. Now look down it. You should be able to see it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Safety is a work.
Right here. Yeah. Alright, quick update. We roosted some birds way back here last night. 2 birds on the other side of this gas line. So Terry and them, as you see in the video, they're going to slip down there. I'm going to stay back up here. Those 2 birds have came a pretty good long ways. I just don't know if they'll cross this creek. The rain's coming. I don't know if we need to make a move, drive on the other side and come back in. But we're going to try this real quick and see if it works. So I did just that. Then there's some more birds that I think it's the other 2 from last night. They fire up. Well, they're gobbling way out there. They start getting closer and closer, 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 closer. Tell them to come down here. We're sitting here talking, trying to debate if we should drive around. The storm's going to be here an hour or so. They gobble up on that hill. I said, I don't know if they'll cross that creek. That creek's pretty wide. It's probably, I mean, it's deep and wide. It's probably, I don't know, 12, 15 foot wide. I don't know if they'll cross that creek. Well, they crossed it. I said, let's see. I said, go drop down in this bottom right here. Sit in this bottom outside the gas line. The gas line was kind of wet. Y'all saw in the video them walking down the hill. They no more than got in the woods and they's already on top of us. They come from way over that hill. Happy opening day. It's turkey hunting, folks. That's turkey hunting bottled up right there in a small 8 ounce, even maybe a pill bottle. Well, I've worked the whole morning, ain't I?
It's 4 turkey hunters. They were in that bottom right there. They were in the gas line.
When they gobbled, I didn't realize that they was that far or that close.
We were visiting down the woods. We got across the water. We was coming out of it when they started putting. That one saw us. It was in the gas line.
As soon as y'all got in the woods, I heard. was like, no. That's why I started calling, trying to calm them down. I thought maybe y'all had a bead on them.
It was out, literally, like in the road, where it goes up the hill and it run right up the hill.
It was a gobbler.
I don't know. I barely saw it. We're piss poor turkey hunters.
Say that again. Really, say that again.
Is that a? Oh yeah, how do I say that?
Is that what it's like?
Is that what it's like to get your ass whooped turkey hunting? Because it sure felt.
100%. The storm is getting very, very close. It's starting to get very dark on us. I was walking back up here, coming around the road. There's a gobbler standing in the road left. We'll go down here and see what we can do. Storm blew through. Sun's out. Cody's on the board. Congratulations, buddy, for killing one.
Skin out. Go get us a pinch of snuff. That's what I want. We had a good pinch of snuff.